Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have quite a rare car. It's a Audi A5, but it's the petrol manual Quattro version. So it's finished in topaz blue, which is quite a rare colour. And yeah, really good specs, well cared for car. So we've taken this in part exchange. We actually sold it previously about 6 years ago to a local customer, and he's just exchanged it back into us. He's got himself a TTS. So yeah, here we go. So it's 3-door, as you can see. Got the big wheels, which have just been refurbed. Really clean and straight car, really for the age and mileage. As always with the videos, it's just really to show you how they look in the flesh as it was. We'll put all the spec, service history, etc. on the advert. It has already been in the workshop, and I know we've done a thermostat on it and a water pump as well. It's got full service history with it. We've looked after it for the last few years, with it being one of our customers. There's all the owner's manuals, handbooks, etc. As with all our cars, it'll be sold with 12 months MOT and a warranty with the option to extend. Mileage on her now is just turned 117,731. It's got a Bang & Olufsen stereo as well. Interior is really clean and tidy for the age, and I think the cream really sets it off with the outside colour. As always, we can offer part exchange and finance. We do viewing by appointment only, and this is just so people don't come for the same car at the same time and people don't set off and have a wasted journey. So if you want to make an appointment, all you need to do is give us a ring or drop us an email. We'll make sure the car's inside for you. We'll make sure you've got a lot of room to get around it, and you can spend as long as you like looking around it. There's no pressure. Thanks for watching.